Welcome to Clover Way. We're here to see a 3-bedroom semi-detached property, 3 double bedrooms I should add, 1 with ensuite. You've got garage, you've got driveway. It's located just off of the M5, junction 24, with great access. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Where I can breathe, where the weight in my soul starts to ease. It's been a long time since I felt the sunshine and didn't feel ashamed of the way that my shadow hangs heavy with doubt and turns the flowers grey. I'm sick of feeling low, I can see the stars shine, but I can hear my beating heart, gotta fall into my own arms. Second chances come around all the time, and happiness is nothing but a state of mind. So take me somewhere blue, take me somewhere blue. Take me somewhere blue. Take me somewhere blue. Take me somewhere blue where I can breathe, where the weight in my soul starts to ease.
Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the tour. Perfect house, first time buyers, young professionals, young families. If you are interested in viewing the property, or if you've got any questions at all, get in contact. I'd love to help you. Or if you'd like me to value your home, please get in touch too, and hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much.